What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's doing well. As you guys can see, got the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements on deck. Yes, these released February 17th. Michael Jordan's birthday, my birthday, you know what I'm saying? We about to get into this detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. But yeah, man, got the cements on deck. A shoe that, you know, I've been dying to get in my collection. I just could not pay the resale on these. Should have, but I just didn't. But happy they released them. Start off with the box. For all you box heads out there, bow, take a look. It is going to come in the Jordan 3 box that they always put them in. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. The colorway is black, fire red, cement gray. Retail is going to be $200. Inside the box, you got your regular cement paper in there. Boom, let's get into these shoes. Whew. These things are looking so nice, man. Guys, a lot of people want to know how's the quality. Take a look for yourself, man. I'm going to give you guys, of course, they gave us the hand tag with the Nike Air on it. We're going to start off with the front of the toe. As you can see, you got your cement print in the front of the toe. Take a look at the leather. Take a look when I push down. I'm not even pushing hard. It's just so soft, man. The leather is really nice on this shoe. To be honest, guys, I wore these already. Usually when you get a Jordan 3, you know how you get that line right there from the creasing. I worn them already, and there's no crease there at all. You know, so that's a good sign right there. Going up, take a look. Got your black laces. You got your gray behind it with the perforated holes. Black laces going up on the tongue. You got your gray on the tongue with your red Jumpman stitched in. Over here where the laces go through, got your hits of red right there. Looking very, very nice. Take a look at the midsole. Bow, bow. Midsole, all white midsole that goes around the whole shoe. Give it that nice touch, you know what I'm saying? And you do got the black upper in that leather. Look when I push it in up here. Quality is really nice on these, man. They did a great job, in my opinion. Alright, you got your smooth leather right here. And, of course, you got your cement prints right there. Let's take a look at the medial side. Medial side, same as the lateral. Leather upper. The leather's nice and thick, too. You know what I'm saying? You got a nice padding up here on the top of the shoe. Cement print. White midsole, black right there. Inside, your Nike Air branding right there, as you can see, in black. Dude got the red inner sole, sock liner in gray. And like I said, and behind the tongue, of course, you do got that hit of red. That red is looking real nice. Now, let's get to the back of the shoe. Bow! Take a look. The Black Cements was released in 2011. They did not come with the Nike Air in the back. Everybody wanted the OG, so they gave it to us. Bottom of the shoe, bow. Take a look. Got your hits of gray, red, and white. And you got the Nike branding on the bottom of the shoe. For sizing, I do recommend you guys go true to size. So definitely go true to size and you'll be good to go. I'm really happy to have these. I want to know what your guys' thoughts is. I know there's a lot releasing in February. Are you guys picking these up? Are you guys passing? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review because I got a lot of things going on. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, man. Follow me on all my social media. Everything will be in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the review on the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. Let me show you guys what they look like on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan. And I'm gone.
Audio Jungle.